In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove widget from iPhone's lock screen. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. iOS 16 allows you to add widgets on your lock screen like that, and now let me show you how you can easily change that widgets or remove them from here. So first lock your device and then press on power button to go to lock screen. Then just hold down at lock screen to bring up this edit mode and then hit on customize. Then select lock screen and here you can tap at that widgets section to start editing your widgets. There you can tap on minus sign to remove widget from here, and also you can select widget from widget selector from here, and among that widget so you can add here, for example, fitness widget. Just select widget type among this or that and then just tap on it to add it. Also here you can tap any widgets that you want and you can just drag it to change its order. In that way, just hold down and move your finger. And then once you're satisfied with the result, just don't forget to hit done to apply changes. And then just tap at your lock screen. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.